Hi, let me show you how to install and uninstall apps on your JVC Roku TV. Every time you want to download and install new apps, you're going to press the home button, and in this menu we're going to go down the list until we get to streaming store. Then press OK on the remote control, and here this is where you're going to find everything, okay, all the apps that are available using the left and right arrow. You can also go down, search for a specific app, or, okay, over here, every apps are categorized in different section, different categories. So if you want a game, let's say, you're gonna go in games, go down, select the app or game you want to download by pressing OK, and then select Add App. Depending how fast your internet connection, press again on OK. It may take 30 seconds. It may take 5 minutes to download the app. So as you see here, it's going quite quickly. At the end, press OK, and the app has been downloaded and installed. Press the home button. Press the right button, and over here we're gonna have all the apps that are installed on this TV. The one that you have just installed will be located on the bottom. If you want to bring this new app on the top, you're gonna highlight it the way I just did. Press the star button on the remote control, select Move App, and now using the arrows you can move the app exactly where you want. I'll place it right over here and press OK. If you want to delete an app, let's say I want to delete the app I just downloaded, I'll highlight it. I will press the star button. Then I will select Remove App, and I'll finish by pressing OK, select Remove, and press OK again, and the app is deleted. This is how you install and also how you delete apps on your JVC Roku TV. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.